Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 3 crates from Dollar Tree as well as some plaques from Hobby Lobby. I start by wood gluing the 3 crates together, side to side. I clamp them and add some masking tape around the back to keep them all into place until that glue sets a little bit. I then take the plaques and I paint them with Italian Sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I give those full coverage. It does take the glue a full 24 hours to set, but after about 30 minutes, I'm able to work with it again. I painted the sides, back, and most of the insides with that same Italian Sage paint. The only thing I didn't paint on there was the 2 ends, which I started to and realized I didn't need to, and the inside bottom portion of the crate. I then took the scrapbook paper I got from Temu and traced out a piece of cardstock that is the size of the bottom part of the crate. I added Mod Podge to the back of the paper and then placed it inside each of the crates and smoothed it out with my hands, and then used a small piece of parchment paper to smooth it out. I then add quick hold glue as well as hot glue to the ends of the crates, place it down on the plaque. I then do the same thing with the other side, so there'll be a plaque on the top and bottom of the crates. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.